So let's see what's in stores for this Diwali month of November for everyone of us. I'll put up 3 cards. You select one whichever you're guided to. Card number 1, card number 2, and card number 3. So see which you are guided to, card number 1 or card number 2 or card number 3. Let's open up what is there in card number 1 if you have selected card number 1. So card number 1 is positive recognition. See, if you can see in this card, you will be recognized for whatever you have been doing till whatever hard work you have been doing. You have put an effort very perfectly, very nicely, and now this month you will get all the ideas which will be fruitful, and it will help you to give more opportunities towards your goals. So those who have selected this card number 1, let's see what is the mantra for you for this month. So the mantra for you is 12 names of Ganesha. So Lord Ganesha is there with you. So your efforts are getting fruitful. Chant these now mantras and see how you are benefited from this. Let's see what's the miracle for this month waiting for you. Dreams. See how is it going. It's a month to get fulfilled of your dreams. Concentrate on your dreams. Be more creative. Explore your creativity. Your hard work. See number 17. Your hard work is going to be approved. Your dreams are going to get fulfilled. So which God is supporting you other than the Lord Ganesha? Lord Ganesha is there with you, but let's see what any other God has some messages for you. Oh, Lord Krishna. So creativity is there, recognition is there. Only you need to bring more clarity into your work and be genuinely work towards your work and enjoy with your fun, with your heart, and you will receive what you want to achieve. Then let's see how it is for relationships for you, for those who have selected this card. How this month is going to be as per your relationship. Free yourself. It's time to take a back seat and control of your life, because you have put all the effort which was required. Now you have to take a seat back from you. You have to free yourself from whatever inhibitions you have in your relations and take a jump towards your goals now. You are ready for everything. So in terms of abundance, you are putting your hard work. Ganesha is there, Krishna is there. What more abundance message you are getting this month? Let's see. Partnership. See, one thing is telling you free from yourself from the entangles, and then work in partnership means bring your partners, bring supportive partners who are ready to help you in all the dreams which you want to fulfill to get ahead. There are supportive people around you. Take the help from them. There are some skilled and resources available from you. Take the use of them and get your dreams ahead. Make it move. Because resources are there for you. You have to just use and get it. That they may be in the form of relationships, they may be in the form of a person, but both parties will benefit. You have to seek it that both parties are benefit. You are giving someone a benefit, the other person is also giving you a benefit. So it will be a good partnership deal. If you are planning for any partnership deal, that will also work out. Any other angel messages for you all? Let's see. Which angel is supporting you in this whole process in this month of November? Oh, Archangel Chamuel is with you. Peace comes from remembering that only love is real. So if you're stuck with negative emotions or you're thinking negative about it, free yourself, because peace is inside. If you are peace at inside, you will find peace outside. You will be able to take a step ahead to fulfill your dream. So let's see, if you see this is also bird, this is also running horse, this is so everything is showing that you have to come out of your comfort zone, free yourself, move out, because everything is waiting for you for your dream to get fulfilled. So this month, get out of, be creative and work towards your dream. So let's see, is there what are the crystal signs on tell you? Oh, wisdom. If you see, wisdom. With wisdom you will get everything. If you work towards your goals, wisdom is there with you. Peace and wisdom will make your dream come fulfill. That is it. Now, last but not least, let's see which words come up for you. Oh, F. See, if you see, it's a red and green energy. So it's telling you, see, there are more of red and green energies for you. So it's telling you, make the strong decisions. Connect with earth, connect with people, connect with nature. Don't keep yourself inside. Free yourself. If there are communication required, do it. Do favors to others. Take favors. Don't overthink. See, is there. See beyond it. See beyond the O. It sees. See. Feel. Enjoy. So, these are all the reasons for you. So get going, get fulfill your dreams, take supportive help, remove negative thoughts, negative people, and bring positivity, because there is positive recognition for you. All the pains are also going off. So this pain, you are ready for the new change now. Be ready. Greens are there to bring change in your life. Green again. So let this change happen. Take the benefit of this change over this November month. So overall, a very good month for you of change, filling your prosperity and this. So let me clear it now. And now let's see what is there for those who have selected card number 2. Card number 2. Oh wow, this is also a very good card which has been received. See, number 21. 3. Successful completion. If you see this card, a feel of joy, a feel of completion, pride. You will get many spiritual insights. You'll be blessed this month. So take the benefit of you. Angels are there with you. You are on a new journey. Your dreams are coming true. Oh, this is very nice. This is November month is a dream of fulfillment. Positive recognition for the group number 1 and successful completion of their task and dreams coming true. New ventures coming up. Let's see what is the mantra for those who have selected card number 2. Gayatri mantra. Wow. It will help you clear all the energies around you, blessed with, connect you with spiritual synchrodestiny. It's a wonderful mantra to get to a new journey with connecting to right people at the right time. Let's see what is the miracle in store for you. Smile. See, the miracle is your smile. In this new journey, if you face any hurdles or any problems, the best thing is smile. Smile clears everything, all the doubts, all the problems, gets off the enemies, clears the ways. Number one, smile. Let's see what's God's messages for you all. Oh, see, explore the new one. You have everything that you need for your this purpose. So it's a very good card for you. Like all gods, all the three gods are supporting you to your new venture which you're planning to do. So don't stop. Go ahead on your new journey. This is a month of starting of a new journey. Let's see how relationship goes on. Honeymoon. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. So those who are just married or thinking of married, or you want to make up for a relationship, plan a second honeymoon or go for the honeymoon, go for a travel, spend time together, understand each other. This may be for someone who's starting a new journey of a new married life or a new relationship, a new family bonding, a new partnership. So enjoy this time together, spend time together so that you'll know each other in this new journey which you're starting. These all are an indication of starting a new journey. Number one, honeymoon. All the three gods supporting you. Let's see what other angels, any other angels, which angels is supporting you for this month. Comfort. Archangel Israel. He's there with this new journey. He's giving you all the comfort, a helping hand to take a step ahead into moving is this new journey. That's very wonderful having Archangel Raziel around with you. Israel has been helping people to, if there are any heartful emotions when you're leaving one area of life and moving into a new journey, there are many things which are very difficult to leave and get out of that comfort zone and be to that. So that is where Archangel Israel will help you. So what's there through abundance for this week? Abundance mindset. It's, since you're starting on the new journey, you have to keep your mindset also towards it. If you think positive, positive will happen. So you have to create positive mindset into you. You have to see that you have already achieved your dreams. Imagine that you have achieved your dreams. You think towards it. You, like, it's, you already have it. If you think you already have it, so you will have it. So the energy will start being creating for it so that you can get those benefits of it. So feel and think of abundance. This is something you already have it in present moment, and that is what you will experience it then. What you seek, you already have it now. So what, it will automatically come to you and you will receive it. That's a very good card for a new journey to start with the proper mindset, with the proper understanding of relationship and getting the comfort and Gayatri mantra. Oh, wonderful, very nice. Now let's see what is stars coming up for you. Peace. Oh, peace is coming for everyone. So peace is required because when you're calm with your heart and mind, you will bring peace in yourself. Then you will able to handle the outside situations and the problems which are coming up. So that's a very very nice thing. Now let's see what is the alphabet coming to you. Oh, 3 alphabets have come up. M, P and B. Peace, bring money. Prosperity is there. Money is there. Green, blue, yellow, knowledge, wisdom. So knowledge and wisdom will bring peace, will bring prosperity. So it's like when you change your mindset. See, mindset. If you change your mindset, you will bring prosperity in your life. So it's the mindset, the energies which are there around with you, that you have to get out of it. And when you do that, prosperity is waiting for you to take you towards this new journey. So go ahead and take the leap. Now let's see what is stored in for card number 3. Letting go. See, the crystal is helping you to let it go. The M. Okay. Multifluoride crystals is connection physically and emotionally. So it's telling you let go, release all the energies. Whatever there may be lot of junk at your home, remove that. Whatever junk is there in your mind, remove that. Let it go. Because when you let it go, then only the new journey will start of yours. So change will happen. Changes are there. Change your thoughts. So then it will happen. You're stuck with many things. Let go. There may be inhibitions. There may be doubts. Let go. Because after letting go only, you will see yourself healed from your issues, your problems, your hurdles. They all will go. And who all are there to help you and how to help you to let go? Let's see. What's the mantra? Ganpati mantra. See, when you start any new thing, Ganpati mantra we start with. So Ganpati is there with you. So chant this mantra and let go of. Ganpati is guiding you to take this start, initiate it and let go. And once you let go, the miracles are on your way. See, outdoor. Don't get stuck. Move out. Get out of this busy zone now. It's time to spend time outdoors. Meet people, communicate with other people, invite someone. Right time, Diwali, invite people, go to people, meet them. Let go of all the doubts and inhibitions which you have for others. And let's see what is the angels are trying to say. See the number 9. You might be having doubts, but get go of that doubts. Once you step out of this, new things are waiting for you. You have to create a space for new things. Then only they can come in. If you clutter it, there will be no space for the good things to come. So start decluttering your house, your mind, your thoughts, your actions. Declutter them. What are the angels? See, all is well. Archangel Jeremiel is there in helping you on this. He's telling if there is, when you're letting go of these things, when these things are happening with it, there might be some changes which you will feel. You will feel odd, you will feel happy, you will feel like crying, whatever it is. All this is happening for a reason, for you to help you to get out of it. So there are some blessings, hidden blessings with it. So which you will know it. Once you start the process of this flow, you will know what are the hidden blessings little later. Might be now you won't understand what is happening, why is this happening, so should I do or should I not do. should, why this is happening, if I did this, there's a, no, let it be, because these are some reasons behind it, and these are the blessings by the angels which you will come to know. These are happening with a reason for your benefit, which you will know later. So let's see, when it comes to relationship, how is this going to be? Getting difficult with relationships also, some people are, looks like. So these cards are also getting a bit hitchy potchy. Let's see. Okay, see, this card is also telling you the same. Unrequited love, there is not enough attraction or chemistry. So if you're getting stuck with those energies, let go of energies. If there are negative people around it, let them go. Let the things or stuffs which are not required, they are not for you, so let it go. Once they go, then the new relationship come. If you're thinking about the relationship, then there is, if you're thinking, okay, should I let go of this relationship, yeah, this card is guiding you, let go of with this relationship, because you're not finding anything new in this. So let's see what the abundance, because when you keep old things, old stuff, they are no longer needed now. What you need is you have to keep. Let's see what is storing for abundance. Organize yourself for success. See, everything is telling you for decluttering, for organize. Start off, Ganpati is there with you. Communicate. You will find ways, someone will just come into you, talk to you. So these things will happen. So, but you have to organize also yourself, because you should be ready to receive the things. If you are not ready to receive it, you might miss the opportunities. So simply organize yourself. If there is need to write down, take a pen and paper and write down how you are going to go ahead with things. Arrange the things so that very it's easier to you to work in your work table. Clear your clutter table. Clean it. What is required you keep. If it's a cupboard, keep your clothes iron. Arrange them. Do everything. Plan each steps. Okay, A, B, C, D. Now I'm going to do this. I'm going to take tiny steps. Do it. So once you organized and clear clarity on thought, so you will see, okay, once there, as more and more clarity will come, as you clean the clutter, as you clean your mind, as you clean everything, you will see how, which is required, which is not required, you'll come to know. So start organizing them then. Let's see which crystals wants to come to you. See, happy. Happy changes are waiting for you. Once you let go of things, see, relationship. If there is something in the relationships, peace. Every, for all the cards are coming, some way or the other it is coming a peace. So inner peace in the relationships, in yourself is required. So do that. Next one is a number. Remove the blockages. Connect to nature. Go outdoor. Don't block yourself. Healing is happen. Now let this healing happen with you. D. Oh, what is this D trying to say? Don't be too demanding. Demanding will keep you stuck again. So let go all those demands and deals which are not working out. Take a step ahead. There are more deep connections which you need to work on. So that you need to go ahead. So thank you everyone. These are the cards for November. Happy Diwali to you all, and hope you all enjoy this Diwali. And please bring peace, love, happiness, and prosperity. Angel blessings to you all. Angels always be there with you all in helping you, guiding you into the new ideas, hopes, ventures, dreams, to all everyone. Thank you.